So if you've ever been to a park and you're looking for a park bench, yet they're all covered with dirt and sometimes they have splinters and things like this, this is a perfect solution. Now, these come in 3 pieces. We've got the tabletop that is 72 by 30, and then the bench is 72 by 12. I mean, these are just like fitted sheets. This is a fairly windy day right now, and they're holding on fine. You can see here, it's just got elastic on here. These are polyester, so these are machine washable. You just take them off on the wash machine, and then they're all ready to go. It does come with a little bag here to go ahead and put everything in, and they roll up really small. It looks more like a wood color here. On the front, you can see here it says Happy Camper. I love now that when we go out to the park, we can just go ahead and put our food and all of maybe our games right on top of the bench, and I don't have to worry about it being dirty whatsoever, or any type of splinters from the wood on the bench. Works out really great, looks fantastic, and now we can have a good time. Hope you found this review helpful.